Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Techniques and Institute elective course. In the last session, we have discussed about source correction methods like change in fuel, equipment modification, process change, etc., which are environment friendly and economically accepted by the industrialist as well. By adopting and implementing source correction method, if any industry still can't meet with the regulatory requirement prescribed by the Pollution Control Board, they have to go for air pollution control measures. Installing air pollution control equipment in the plant or industry will not only control air pollutants, but it leads to control nuisance and improve company's image. Selection of pollution control equipment depends on parameters like types of pollutant, quantity of pollutant, and efficiency required. In today's session, you are going to learn the basic understanding of the selection criteria, principle, various equipments, and methods used to control particulate emission generated by stationary sources of air pollution. Understanding of the basic principle, construction, working of gravity settling chamber by successfully completing the review questions at the end of this topic. At the end of this session, you will able to explain how industry determines which type of control technology is appropriate or required for their specific application. Distinguish between methods of controlling emissions that requires a control device. You will able to describe principles used to control particulate or gaseous emission from stationary sources. List the type of devices used to control particulate emissions. Describe the basic principle, construction and working, equipment, and methods used to control particulate emissions generated by stationary sources of air pollution. You will able to recognize the structure of settling chambers and describe how they collect particulate matter. You will also able to describe the factors that affect collection efficiency. You will able to understand advantages, limitations, and industrial applications of gravity settling chamber. With this, I welcome you all for the next session. Thank you.